Have you ever wondered why people around the world look so different, possessing a remarkable array of physical traits, even while sharing a common human ancestry? Natural selection is the primary mechanism explaining human biological diversity. It is a fundamental process where individuals with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass those advantageous traits to their offspring. Over many generations, this leads to populations adapting to their specific local conditions, resulting in the rich variety we see in people today. The core idea behind natural selection involves three key components. First, there is variation within any population. Individuals are not identical. Second, many of these variations are heritable, meaning they can be passed from parents to children. Third, environmental pressures like climate, disease, or food availability act on this variation, causing some traits to be more beneficial for survival and reproduction than others. Those with favorable traits thrive, while those with less favorable traits diminish, shaping the population's genetic makeup over time. A classic example is skin pigmentation. In regions with intense ultraviolet radiation, darker skin, rich in melanin, offers protection against sun damage and folate degradation, promoting better health and reproductive success. Conversely, in areas with low sunlight, lighter skin evolved to facilitate vitamin D synthesis. Another compelling example is the sickle cell trait, which provides resistance to malaria in regions where the disease is prevalent, despite having negative health consequences in its homozygous form. Similarly, populations living at high altitudes, such as in the Andes or Tibet, have adapted with unique physiological traits, like larger lung capacities and more efficient oxygen utilization, allowing them to thrive in low oxygen environments. Understanding natural selection's role encourages us to look beyond superficial differences and appreciate the deep connections between human biology and specific environments. This perspective introduces the concepts of clinal variation, which describes gradual changes in a trait across geographic space, and adaptive landscapes, which illustrate how populations navigate environmental challenges through genetic adjustments. It shows that human diversity is not about distinct types, but rather a continuous spectrum of adaptations. Ultimately, natural selection paints a dynamic picture of human evolution, illustrating how our species has continually responded to diverse ecological pressures across the globe. It underscores that human biological diversity is a testament to our adaptability and resilience, celebrating the remarkable ways different populations have flourished in varied environments, ensuring the continued vibrancy of humanity.